Okay. Next program is sum or product. Okay, sum or product, you can check the what is input. In input format, first number, value line 1. In second line, second number, value. You can take two values, first number and second number. Okay, result depends on test cases. First test case, input, you can take two values. What type of values? 20, 30. What type of values? Integer values. That's why I want to write this program using Python. First, you can take the input. After that, what is the output? 600. Why it is 600 means multiply of two numbers. 20 into 30, 600. But program is sum or product. When it is sum, when it is product means accept two integer values from the user and return their product. Actually, what requirement is product of two numbers. If the product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. If product is greater than or equals to 1000, then you can convert that problem into addition of two numbers. For example, if you provide 50, 60, 50 into 60 means 3000. 3000 is higher than 1000. Then you can convert it into 50 plus 60 means 110. That is the program requirement. Import java dot util dot star. What is our requirement? You can take two values, two integer values. First, you can take the scanner class. Scanner s equals to new scanner of system dot in. Then int a equals to sc dot next int of. Int b equals to sc dot next int of. Up to this, our input is completed. After that, what is our requirement? After two numbers, you can calculate the product. If product is less than or equal to 1000, you can convert the product only. If greater than 1000, you can convert it into sum. For example, in this input 20, 30. 20 into 30 means 60. No problem, you can print the product. In case if you provide 5, 6. 5 into 6 means 30. 30 is lower than 1000, you can print the 30. For example, if you provide 60, 50 and 60. 50 into 60 means 3000. But 3000 is greater than 1000, then you can convert it into 50 plus 60. That means 110. And first you can calculate product of two numbers. Int r equals to a into b. After that, you can compare our result less than or equal to 1000 or not. If less than or equal to 1000, no doubt, you can print the product. If greater than 1000, you can convert it into sum. That's why our result compare with 1000. If you want to compare anything, then we go for if condition. That's why you can check the value. If r less than or equal to 1000, no problem. Simply you can print the r value. System dot out dot println r. Else, if greater than 1000, you can convert it into sum. That's why simply you can write system dot out dot println a plus b. Then you can run and compile. All test cases are matched. Simple program.